The pain was just there all the time, and you couldn't get away from it. You couldn't escape. My name is Dominick Pace, and I was treated for a herniated disc about 10 months ago at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital, New Brunswick. Life was pretty difficult. Walking, sitting, any activity that I tried to do was very painful. It hurt just about everything that I did.
I wanted to do one operation on Dominick to fix his problem, get him back to where he wants to be, get him back bowling, get him back to his job without dealing with injections and medications for months or years on end.
I was looking for something that was a total solution to my pain.
So looking at his x-rays, examining him in the office, hearing his symptoms, I had felt a lumbar disc replacement would kind of fix everything all at once with a much simpler recovery. The entire disc is removed, the disc herniation is removed. That disc space is then sized and replaced with a disc prosthesis. And it acts almost like a knee or hip replacement. It has all good biomechanics and it moves in all different directions. Several
years ago, I had to give up bowling. I love bowling, and I had to give it up because of the pain and the complications from, my bad disc. And here I am 6 months after surgery, bowling. It's amazing. Dr. Chiappetta and his team were fantastic. They were very personable with me. They understood what I was telling them as far as, the pain and the suffering that I was going through. And they were very compassionate towards trying to fix my problem. This surgery was life-changing. It's almost indescribable, the joy you feel from finding the solution and getting rid of the pain.
RWJBarnabas Health. Let's be healthy together.